y'all, it's Rosie again. I am going to be doing a quick kind of like review of how to tone your hair with just purple shampoo. I'm going to be using Matrix Results. It's called the So Silver Color Obsessed. I'm going to have a link of that below. But I'm just going to put that on the ends, these blonde ends of my hair, just dry. I'm not going to wet it or anything first. I'm not going to lather it. I'm just going to put on the shampoo dry on my hair. And I'll leave that in for a couple of hours. I'm doing chores. I'm in the middle of filming another like weekend vlog. So I'm just going to do chores throughout the day. And once I'm done with that, I'll hop in the shower and actually wash out the shampoo. And I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. And I do want to mention, I don't make sure to get every single area completely soaked. Like you can see some blonde kind of peeking through. I've noticed that when I do that, it gives my hair a little bit more dimension where I have some silver tones, some more purple tones, and then some more warmer yellow tones. So I'm just going to do that to the other side. Flip this up. Just going to clip it all up together. Put it away with a hair clip. And like I said, I'll leave that on for a couple of hours. I do want to mention I don't do this all the time, and I actually have a tutorial on how I actually tone my hair using a real toner and not just shampoo. But this is something that I like to do once in a while when I don't really want to process my hair with more chemicals than just regular shampoo. So I'm going to wash my hands. As you can see, very purple. And like I said, I'll get some chores done and I'll be back in a couple of hours. Hey y'all, so I am back. I've showered and here you can see my hair, how it looks wet. I left the shampoo in my hair for about 3 hours while I did chores around the house. You can see it is a little bit more toned and more gray compared to the bright yellow orangey color that it was before. I'm going to dry it and style it, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like that way. Hey y'all, so as you can see, my hair is now dry and I styled it just really quickly with a curling iron so I could get this wave. But yeah, as you can see, my hair is a little bit more of a gray tone, but like I had mentioned before, I didn't apply the purple shampoo completely on all of my hair. I ended up kind of leaving pieces out because I kind of do like where it looks a little bit warm tones with the cool tone, so that's why I did that. If you don't like having that warm tone dimension, I suggest just completely saturating all of your hair with the purple shampoo. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask, and I'll see you guys next time.